Okay, so let's walk through how you can put a lead request form from Jobber into your website. I'm just on the main homepage of Jobber, and on the top right corner, you go to the settings. Now on the settings page, you have your whole control panel. This is how you adjust everything. And there's multiple things. If you want to do online booking, it would be right near the bottom, but it's all in the client communication portal. The request to get a quote is not online booking, it's requests. And so these are two distinctly different things. Online booking is you have to do a little TLC, a little more finesse to get it set up to your metrics. But if you just want people to request a quote without being able to see a price and book an appointment, which is you might want to have a button for each in different locations on the website. The more complicated or complex the project, the more likely you want a customized request. So things like storefronts and commercial things, you just want to do requests. You wouldn't want to do an online booking thing for that. If you do online booking right now, the best practice, in my opinion, for window cleaning is to do an online booking for a free in-person consultation. But with that said, let's go into the requests now. And right here you have customizable forms where you can change the questions right there. You can play around with that, but the most important thing, you can work on that later. The most important thing is to go down here to the bottom of the page nearly, where you have add your website or share a link. And so you can see embedded options here where you can change the colors, do whatever suits you and your brand and the colors you like to have in the long term, with the text color adjustable as well. And so then you could copy this into a HTML box. Different websites have different ways you could do that, but you would just copy that and it would embed it straight into that website. And so this is fantastic for, you would create a separate landing page right now. I'll show you what I've got. blueladder.dfw.com. So this is my current website, which I'm not going to have for much longer. But I have right here instant quote goes to another page. And so in the page, I have responsive here, but you could do the same thing with that same Jobber widget where you embed the HTML onto the page, where it's just a simple contact page. Depending on whatever website you have, how customizable it is, usually you can create a box with this, or you can create a separate page entirely with this, which is advisable, because then you can track how many people go to your main website versus the ones who actually go onto the quote page. And if you don't have your instant quote available just on a normal home tab, you can really easily track how many conversions you have from your home page to that quote page. And so you'll see a number of website visits to your home page, and then you'll see the number of visits to your quote page. And on that quote page, you would embed that, the HTML code, and makes it really easy, intuitive for that customer. Having said that, let's go back to the Jobber thing. To embed it into, or to link it into a button, it's this bottom shareable link. You go to View Link Options, and you just copy the URL. And now I can go into my web builder. This is what I'm doing right here. So I've been using Elementor with a WordPress setup. But whatever one you're using, it pretty much works the same. When you go to the button, you have a place to enter a link or a URL. And so in this case, it says right here, link. I just click in this box, and I can paste my URL and save that. Now, my link isn't active right now. I'd have to publish that, and I don't necessarily want to use that link right here myself. I'm going to link this directly to a page for Christmas lights that doesn't exist yet. But if you were to embed a button, I can copy and paste what happens right here. So you'd click the button and this form would come up. This is just the generic lead form. And the benefit of this is you don't have to do any crazy coding or anything. The customer will fill out their information and it will automatically populate into Jobber. And so let's kind of go over the information that's here. I'll put my personal email address, blmillan@gmail.com. and then number. I'll skip that for now. I wonder if it allows you to skip that if you're the customer. But I've got my address and then details. I want to get my windows cleaned. And then they can pick days that are available. And this is a fantastic update. It used to just show, they would just randomly pick, but now it actually shows availability based on your jobber's schedule. And so they want the next day, 28th. And what's another day that works for you? Well, if that doesn't work, let's just say I want it as soon as possible. So March 3rd. Okay. What are your preferred arrival times? Anytime. And then they can put a picture here, and they can comment anything else in the details there, and they submit it. They have to have the phone number, so I'm just going to go down here. All right, let's check that out now. Okay, so they get this little thanks for working with us. And then I can go into Jobber now, and in my home screen on Jobber, now I have a request, and it's that same exact lead. And this is another really cool thing. They've made it extremely fast to generate a quote.